$31,199 was generated in just 5 days. That's from one of my product launches. For this product launch, I needed a lot of things. I needed to create a product that actually solves a problem. I needed a domain, hosting server, graphic design, sales copy, a funnel, and finally a customer support. And all this money did not come to my pocket. 50% went to the affiliates. Look at the left hand side, these are the affiliates blurred out for privacy. They made 50% of the revenue generated as affiliate commissions. And in this video, I want to focus on one person, $1,196 made as affiliate commissions without taking care of all the hassles I just mentioned. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what one thing this person has done that you can do it too without technical knowledge, without prior experience, without investment, without a website, without hosting server, even if you are a complete beginner and you never made a single penny online. Sounds good? It gets better because you can make this money from anywhere in the world and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and even cryptocurrency or digital currency you want. Sounds awesome? Let's begin. So why I picked this person and show you his results is because of one number. The number is $4.41. What is this number? Actually, among all these numbers you see, this is the number that makes or breaks everything. And it is called a revenue per hop, which is the average amount of money generated from the total number of visitors. So this person has only sent 573 visitors to this offer page through his affiliate link, and on the average, every visitor spent $4.41. So if he could send 1,000 visitors, then $4,400 would have been made. Exciting, right? Now, before we go into the detail, step by step, how you can make money, let me ask you a question. If you have low credit score, or if you are in debt and you want to make more money, then chances are you are making less amount of money. So you have low income. Why do you think you have low income? Can I answer the question for you? You have low number or less number of people paying you money. You are definitely doing something, whether it's a job or it's a business, you are definitely doing something and other people are paying you for your product or services. And if you could increase that number of people paying you, you would make more money. Sounds right? This is how internet works, and that's how to make money online. Give something to people who are ready to pay money for, and do this to a lot of people. Now you have two questions. Who will pay you and where are they? Let's go jump right in. Now before we begin, I want to tell you about the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to change the lives, financial status of 100 million people in the next 10 years. And we can no way achieve that without your help. And you can help us without actually spending money. All we want from you is hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, everyone that you know and you think they need help with learning how to make money online. Our information and education are free, and our softwares are also free. Links are in the description. This education and softwares will help you make money faster than ever before. The easy way, the right way, and the fun way. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. Let's move on. So first of all, we need a place where a lot of people hang out and they're ready to pay money for something. One of the places is called Quora.com. Quora has 543 million monthly visitors. That's a lot of people. And the best part, 70% of the people come from search engines. So when people search something on Google, the posts or contents or questions on Quora show up on Google as results, and they end up on Quora. And of course, that is why we made Speed. It's the Quora traffic automation software. So if you need a lot of people, a lot of customers, and you want to generate from Quora for free without spending money on ads, without creating a lot of content, without all the hassles, especially the technical hassles, without a website, then Speed is what you want. I will drop a link in the description, go grab it. This is my product, by the way, and the website is pretty clear about what the software does and how it does. It gives you some examples as well. Like example, this one person, I just hide his identity for legal purposes. All he did was answered 15 questions and look at the number of views or the visitors or that traffic. 11.2 million content views. If we compare this 11.2 million with this 4.41 million, that will be more than $44 million generated from all this traffic, right? That's a theoretical number. I can no way guarantee that they make this much money, but this is definitely possible. My software Speed helps speed up the process of getting traffic from Quora. Here's another example. Somebody asked a question about which is the best web hosting company in the world, and somebody answered. That answer got 1,300 views. The people who asked the question, people who look at the answers, are the people who are looking for information about web hosting. And the person who answered got all their attention, and simple clicks from those views will make them money. Before we go deeper, let me give you a little bit of advertisement. Speed offer comes with all of these at a one-time price. All these are delivered as a package. We are also giving away all these bonuses for purchasing during the launch period. And it comes with 30-day, absolutely no question asked money back guarantee. Link is in the description, you can get it anytime you want. But I highly recommend you get it before the price rises and it becomes monthly recurring. And as a bonus to our customers, we are also giving away this 66-page spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains around 5,000 posts that have all these monthly visitors. You see that? Just look at this. 10,000 visitors, 65,000 visitors, 64,000, 56,000 visitors. Just by answering these questions can put you in front of thousands of people. Example, what is digital marketing? 17,871 people visit this post. Let me show you. You just click this link and it will take you here. This person answered this question and it's a nice answer and got 682 views. These views are the targeted audience who are looking for answer. Any link on this post can generate clicks, and these clicks can generate affiliate commissions. Here is another example. Which is the best web hosting? This person answered with an image and a little bit of text, and his answer got 1,800 views. A lot of people visited his profile just to check who the person is. And this smart person has a website link on his profile. All the people visiting his profile will click this link and will visit his website. It can be your website, it can be your affiliate link. And clicks equals money. If you use Speed to automate the traffic from Quora, you will have hundreds and thousands of people paying you money just by answering questions, posting some content in your profile, and that is it. The software will automate the whole process, help you get results fast, get you more traffic, and earn you money. Super simple. You can get Speed from the link in the description, and also you can get my other softwares free from the link in the description as well. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and you can help others learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. And we will see you in the next video.